Tell me where that thing is, man. Oh, shit.
But you know what? It's getting to be a bit much.
Come on, homie, we ain't got all day. Let's go.
For sure, but what you got up?
Kidnapping, fool. That clown D. That OG fool from Ballers.
Dog, I told you, no more gang-banging retro vengeance bullshit. I'm trying to make some fucking paper.
You gonna make some paper, low. And ain't nobody out here gang-banging. It just look like that. You gotta know the difference, man.
Fuck, man, great. My aunt would be very happy, homie. She wants me dead anyway so she can get the fucking house.
I told you to quit talking shit about your auntie, Loco. That's my bitch. I'm just fucking with you. I'm just fucking with you. You driving. Get in the van, Chop. Get in the van. Good dog.
So what you wanna do? Are you ready? I'm all on the front line down the bloody.
We going up Vinewood Boulevard.
Hey, I like your dog, homie. Me and Chop got a lot in common. Yo annoying ass.
Man, I'm carrying both of y'all asses, homie. Look what I set up.
Hey, why we doing this, dog?
Man, cuz we supplementing our income.
More like supplementing the drama in our lives.
Is that fool Simeon looking out for us, or is he looking out for himself?
Shit itself, I guess.
So how a couple of gutter-ass fools like us get ahead?
By getting serious.
Exactly. We two highly motivated, results-driven motherfuckers with an entrepreneurial mindset.
Oh, yeah. Highly motivated self-starter, huh? In the kidnapping sector.
Yeah, starting big.
But it always go wrong, don't it? All your schemes for years.
They don't go right. But I wouldn't say that they go... wrong all the time, neither. Not as wrong as they could.
I ain't dead, but I ain't rich neither.
How does 40,000 sound? Because that's what's happening right here.
Man, I'll believe it when I'm...
Hey, what's up, boo? Ain't you little Laida's cousin?
Yeah.
Damn.
In the van, we gotta go!
You see what he driving? Man, we in a van, motherfucker. We fucked.
On gangster, we got this!
Hold on, Chop. What the fuck you say something for? We could've creeped up on this nigga.
You see yourself, Franklin? He's a big black motherfucker, nigga. Your creeping days is over. That's 40 G's getting away right there.
What's going on?
Come on, homie, concentrate on the road. Get on him.
We in a van, nigga. This motherfucker slow as hell. Next time we going after the motherfucker in the car, all right? All these punk-ass bikes. If we snatching this dude, we snatching his ass right. Remember the homies around the block?
Man, the homies is lame.
Yeah, so we not.
Cops on their cell phone as soon as they made the ransom call. Triangulated the signal. Ghetto birds all over the place. Surveillance, my nigga. Man, take time. Go get that fool. Nigga, you just sitting your ass there with your feet kicked up. Come on, Chop. Come on. Go bite his ass. Get that motherfucker, Chop. Hey, stop and save yourself a tetanus shot, dawg. You gonna pay for this? There ain't no rabies shots where we taking you to. You getting motherfucker! There's a good dog.
What the fuck?
This like sprint training. Take him down, homie. Oh, fuck. Come on, boy. Find that fool. Sniff him out, Chop Chop. Lead me to him. Get his ass, Chop. He ain't one of them boxcars. Stop running, dawg. Come on, where you at? You a mean motherfucker, man. Let's go. Your ass caught. Shit, this motherfucker empty. You got a whiff of him, Chop? Where is he, boy? Come on, where is he? Hey, where you going, boy? That don't look like no baller's OG to me. Hell. Chop, man. You don't gotta do that. Come on, Chop. Get off there, man. We got shit to do. Get out that thing, Chop. You filthy motherfucker. Not the time, Chop. We gotta go. Lamar sure ain't been training your ass, has he, boy? Come on, man. Back to business. Get the bad guy. We in this together, Chop. Let's go. You in here? You scared of dogs, nigga? Oh, shit!
Screw that dog, man!
Don't hump him. Bite his ass. Oh, fuck you, son of a bitch. That bitch just fucking bit me, man. Shut the fuck up. Hey, man, get over here. Oh, shit.
What the fuck, man? I ain't got no beef with the CGF.
Because maybe we doing our own thing.
What the fuck, man?
Hey, if you don't train Chop...
It's paid. What the fuck is wrong with you, nigga? That was a good phone.
A good phone? The cops was all over, nigga.
All right, motherfucker.
You motherfucker.
something? Less bugging and more hip-hop. Let's go.
Breaking news. Excitement is building for Life Invaders' new product launch.
A breakthrough in the notorious Leonora Johnson case.
The Sonora Desert, a hotbed for illegal, was simply a deal or an altercation gone terribly wrong.
The smuggling of weapons from the U.S. into Mexico has transformed the Sonora Desert region into a war zone in recent months, with rival traffickers including Mexican gang Varios Los Teles and El Salvadoran gang the Marabunta Grande clashing over supply routes.
The launch of Life Invaders' top secret but heavily marketed new hardware is just days away now, and the hype is at a fever pitch.
Excuse me. That boy, I am his mentor. So, Mr. Kenneth, where we at financing?
Financing it seems like a shitty deal.
Because of the color of my skin, you think I am a scam.
Heartbreak, love and life when someone's fleecing you dry. But we've got something they don't have. We have the music.
That's just because you have a massive gaper, bitch.
Fucking homo, you're dead. Dead! He said I had a massive... Jimmy called me a bitch!
You tried to knife... Ooh, ouch! Raperino! Ooh, slaughter time!
Oh my god, seriously? My brother is such a homo. I think he has a medical problem. Like, more medical problems than the ones he's already been diagnosed with. Thank you, coach.
You're a real pro, Mrs. DeSanta. A real pro.
Hey, Simeon, I got the ride, man. I'm coming back.
If you actually bring the repossession to me this time, I can have it back out on the street before the day is done.
That's a 9mm semi-automatic pushed against your skull. Don't look around. Take me where you're going.
Hey, come on, man. This was a repo job. Guy was behind on his fucking note.
Unlikely, considering my son just got the... Hey! Considering my son just got the car. And looking at the way you're going about this, my guess, you're working a credit fraud.
A credit fraud? Be serious, dude. I just worked the fucking...
Easy.
I just worked the fucking repo.
I appreciate a kid who follows orders without taking responsibility. Yeah, maybe one day we'll have a beer, and I'll explain how the world really works. Who gives you the slip?
A car...
Why the fuck would you do that?
A car dealer, dawg, by the name of Simeon Yeteri.
So this businessman, he look legit to you?
Look, man, it's just between him and your fucking son.
Don't worry. Me and Mr. Yetarian, we'll work this out.
Hey, man, it's Jess up here.
Okay, stop the car. Pull up. That the place?
Yeah, this the place, man.
Whoa. Hey, I still got this gun to your head.
Man, shit! No! Franklin! What the fuck are you doing?
Mr. Simeon, it's not exactly how it looks.
I always trump big for a job well done. Now get out of here, kid.
You motherfucker! See now, you've pissed...
You recognize... Hey, what's going on?
Don't hit on me for a joke. Don't do it. Ugh. Go away. I'm toxically
You
single.
must really worry your family. Buddy, what's up?
There's no way.
Oh!
Copy that. On the way.